Of weeks, the Supreme Court will make a landmark decision on gay marriage. A Cincinnati man at the center of this historic case.
The justices will decide on whether states like Ohio have to allow same-sex marriages or at least recognize those from other states.
9 on your side's Jordan Burgess is here now and looks at the local man who's now getting national attention for his role in the case. So, Jordan, what's it been like for him?
Well, I talked to him today. He said it's been a whirlwind these last few months. Jim Obergefell never expected to have his name on what could be one of the landmark decisions made by the Supreme Court. He just wanted something he could hold on to. Jim Obergefell's name may soon be going down in the history books, but all he ever wanted in writing was a single word.
It was devastating.
Obergefell's partner at the time, John Arthur, was dying of ALS.
I simply leaned over, hugged him and kissed him and said, "Let's get married."
But Arthur was too sick to travel to a state that allowed gay marriage except by plane. So the two were married on the tarmac of the Baltimore-Washington Airport in Maryland.
We did that purely from our desire to have a relationship that was recognized and honored and respected by the government.
But Jim soon found out that Ohio not only bans same-sex marriage, but doesn't recognize those marriages done in other states, something attorney Al Gerhardstein first told them about.
He pointed out to us, when John dies, the state of Ohio will say he's unmarried, he's single.
That one word, married, meant so much to Obergefell and Arthur. So Gerhardstein fought for the couple in court, winning them the right to have their marriage recognized in Ohio, but a federal appeals court overturned that decision. Now the case is before the Supreme Court.
There are core principles that you can't vote away.
Obergefell has to continue the fight on his own. Arthur passed away more than a year ago, but Obergefell remains true to his word, a word that started this fight so many months ago.
I think what a fantastic legacy it is for him that our love and our willingness to step up and fight is going to affect not just Cincinnati and not just Ohio, but potentially the entire country.
And the Supreme Court will hear arguments in the case on April 28th. A decision on it is expected by the end of June. And right now on WCPO.com, you can read Lucy May's in-depth article on this issue.